What's up everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to make use of this AI tool called Pika Labs. So guys, simply go on to pikalabs.org. Pika Labs is a non-profit organization focused on investigating AI capabilities right here. We are a community of enthusiasts and lovers of AI models and tools. So on this website, we will be exploring AI possibilities and sharing latest news about chatbots, text to video, image to video, and many more. So right here guys, how do you easily join the Pika Labs right here? You want to simply join the Pika Labs to your Discord server right here, and once you simply do that, it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here on Pika Labs, you want to simply type /create and select /create from the list of the commands that pop up on top. Then in the prompt field, you simply type a description of the video you want to create right here. So right here guys, for you to get started, you want to simply just scroll down a bit right here, and you can go right onto creation. We have hashtag generates 1 up to 10, so you can easily make use of any of this, but guys, I'm just going to make use of generate 3 right here. So this is it right here guys. So how do we actually generate images using this AI tool called Pika Labs? So right here, you simply put in / and create. As you can see, we have animate, create right here. You can also animate image, create by making use of prompts, encrypt image, encrypt text right here. So guys, I'm just going to make use of /.create right here guys. So that is it. You want to simply put in your prompt. I already have a prompt right here, and I want to simply paste in this prompt, and you click onto enter. As you can see, the creation job is queued. So right here, you want to simply wait for some few minutes, and this will be done right here. So guys, let's simply wait and see what Pika Labs can easily generate for us. So right here guys, as you can see, it is done generating. Let's simply play this video to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is how amazing this video actually looks like. So guys, you can easily download this right into your device. So this is how you can actually make use of Pika Labs.